Because you too.
It's where the blue fits.
Oh, hi! Welcome to Sesame Street. Oh, hi! Welcome to Sesame Street. I'm just looking around for someone to with. There must be someone around here somewhere. Ah, there's Maria. I'll go play her. Yay! Maria!
Uh-oh. I need this and this. Uh-oh. I need this and this. I'll go finish.
Uh-oh. Maria!
Hello. Huh?
I'm here to you. Come on, let's go.
Oh, I'm sorry, Big Bird. I can't with you today. We're really, really busy. I've got a lot of things to.
Listen, listen, I'm talking about.
Oh God, oh man.
Oh my God!